Alright folks, today something different. I'm showing you how to grill a frozen steak. It's time to grill. I don't know how many of you already had the problem. You could dive for a slice of grilled steak, but you forgot to take it out of the freezer. From now on, it's not a problem anymore, because today I show you how to grill a completely frozen steak. So this one is a completely frozen sirloin steak, 350 grams, and all you have to do is take a sharp knife and cut the fat cap a little bit so it stays in shape while we're gonna grill this one. And as you can see here, it's completely frozen, and we're gonna throw this on the grill on the highest heat possible. And the time we'll need with the direct heat is 18 minutes in total. So we're gonna grill this 4.5 minutes from this side. I speed it up a little bit, and then we're gonna give it a twist 90 degrees. So we get some nice looking grill marks here. And after 9 minutes, make sure to take a different spot of your grill, because the spot really cools down due to the frozen steak. Take a different spot and grill it again 4.5 minutes. And then 90 degrees turn, again 4.5 minutes. We haven't added any salt yet. We will add the salt later on, the moment we're gonna put this steak on indirect heat. So this is the last step, 4.5 minutes. You can now close your lid, and that's the moment we're gonna throw this one on indirect heat. Take some salt flakes and salt the top side of your steak. Gently press down the salt. It's a little bit different than the salt crust you know from room temperature steak, but it will add some salt flavor here, which is really cool. So close the lid. We were now ready, and we are able to insert a thermometer, and this one has 17 degrees Celsius. So we are headed for 54 degrees Celsius today. And so this might now take approximately 20 minutes or so until we will open the lid again, and then we will twist again. So take off the thermometer and turn your steak. You will not lose a lot of salt, as you can see here, and we will now add the salt to the other side as well. So there you go. This is some fleur de sel, but you can use any salt you like. We're gonna insert the instant thermometer as well. Again, make sure to be careful because it's really hot. And from at that moment, I guess we have about 38 degrees or so. So the all in all cooking time for that steak is approximately 1 hour. So after that, take the steak off. We are headed for an internal temperature of 54 degrees Celsius, which is kind of medium till medium rare normally, and we see how the color is now. So we're gonna let it rest here for another 5 minutes or so, and then we're gonna cut and see how it did. So the first slice looks a little bit overcooked, but the rest looks more and more better. So the difference is, as you can see here, the structure is different. It's not that tender, but it really has a nice flavor and it has a great bite. So for me, this one is really cool, and as you can see here in the middle, it's a little bit pink and it has a real nice texture. So make sure to like and subscribe that video if you have any experiences in how to grill a frozen steak, just let me know. I will arrange that steak for Instagram right now to make a great photo. Of course, on Instagram you can betray a lot of people. You can just take the hole from the thermometer and just put it like so, and then the other piece and so, and you're really headed for a great pick. So make sure to watch that, to check out that Instagram account. I'll put a link into the video description. You can check it out. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We're seeing us again on Saturday. We're gonna have a great dish coming up there. So make sure to be here again. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.